Guys, it's me, Galitan Gaming guys. So, meron tayong rank up party events mga lodi. So, nandito siya sa events natin. So, rank party events. So, nandyan, rank party event bonus preview. So, makikita nyo dyan mga lodi, nandito lahat. 404 and then 427. Choose one free specialist skin. Choose of the of 10 free elite skin. Choose of a free basic skin. And sa 427 rank party privilege mga lodi, sa 418 to 20 yan, ito yung tinatawag na guys na 125 skin free trial guys. So ayan, tapos all hero free trial mga lodi. So ang dami dyan mga lods. So nandito, i-click natin to. Dito tayo guys. Ayan, ito. Ayan, all heroes free access, 1 day na lang, and 125 skin free trial mga lodi. Andyan, ayan. All heroes free trial, enjoy the access to all heroes during the event. Free heroes are only available in classic mode, not in other modes. Some events limited and new heroes are not included in the access. Only players who have reached the master rank or above can enjoy free access to all heroes. Skin free trial. During the event, enjoy the free access to a select list of skin for a limited time. And the skin can be used in Classic, Wang, and Brawl during the event. Players must be level 8 and above to participate in the event. So, tingnan natin yung, click natin yung ano guys, yung mga pre-limited 125 skin guys. Ayan, makikita nyo dito mga lodi. Ayan, legendary skin, and champion, Lunar Fest, Christmas special, Christmas guys, light blue skin, epic skin, special skin, and then elite skin guys. Ayan, pwede rin natin gamitin ang basic skin mga lodi. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys, rank game na kayo guys, mag-aya kayo at ipakita nyo ang inyong skin na gusto nyo, limited time for skin guys. Thank you!